The woman was enjoying the sea breeze with a relaxed look on her face. The next second the water suddenly rushed backward. She instantly realized this was a sign that a tsunami was coming. She quickly turned and ran for her life. But just as she reached the parking lot, she saw her husband already inside the car. She shouted for him to wait, but he drove off without her. She finally found another car, but to her despair, the tsunami had already arrived. And this was only the beginning of the ocean's revenge against humans. Ever since one country dumped nuclear wastewater into the sea, strange things had been happening deep in the ocean. First, a restaurant discovered a mutated lobster. This lobster could shoot out a white liquid. Once it entered the human body, it would keep destroying blood cells. Hundreds of people had already died from it. Then, in a seaside town of another country, countless mutated crabs suddenly appeared. They were extremely aggressive. They had already killed dozens of people. They even took over a whole town. Now they were spreading further inland. The worst part was that these crabs were also filled with the same white substance. Realizing how serious this was, medical expert Anna held an urgent press conference. According to Anna's research team, wherever mutated lobsters and mutated crabs appeared, the water sources were contaminated. Inside the water was a virus called Vibrio vulnificus. Once it entered the body, it quickly destroyed blood cells. So far, there was no medical treatment that could kill this virus. At first, these mutated creatures only showed up near Japan, but now they were spreading to other countries. Anna advised the government to take immediate action. She urged them to send troops to block the coastline. She also told people living near the sea not to take baths and not to drink unboiled water. But the government did not believe her. They thought the tsunami was just a natural accident, and they treated Vibrio vulnificus as nothing more than a new kind of flu virus. They believed humans would soon find a cure. At that moment, a marine expert saw Anna's broadcast. He immediately invited her to his research center to discuss further, because not long ago, one of their research ships had suffered a terrible accident at sea. According to satellite data, the seawater in that area suddenly started heating up. In just 10 minutes, the temperature reached a shocking 100 degrees Celsius. The water began to boil. It quickly melted the entire research vessel, and whales, which had always been peaceful with humans, suddenly started attacking people. One humpback whale attacked a cruise ship. Hundreds of people were killed. Connecting all these strange events, the marine expert came up with a bold guess. He suspected that some organization was training sea creatures as weapons against humans, and it turned out his guess was right.